How to log in to your UHS employee account. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new guide video of how to guide. If you're also trying to log in and you're an employee of UHS, then in this video I'm going to show you how you can log into it. So make sure you keep watching this video until the end to successfully log into your account. Open up your web browser and search for UHS employee login. Once you search for this, you can see this search result, which is the website of uhs.ehr.com. You can just click on this link which says sign in, and it's gonna take you to the sign in page. Now in the first section, you need to type in the username that you created while signing up. So type in the username and then click on next. If you don't remember your username, you can click on the forgot username option and then follow the steps to recover your username. Once you type in your username, you can click on next, and in the next section, you'll have an option or a section of typing in the password. Once you typed in your password and then click on login, you'll be successfully logged in to your UHS employee account. So that was a really quick and easy video. I hope you guys understood and found this video helpful. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.